Thomas Aquinas says that we can prove God exists because the world is a well-ordered place, and that therefore some divine intelligence must have created it. Well, Tom Aquinas must live in a better neighborhood than we do. Look, I can't prove there's a God. I find this scary since I'm betting my life there is one. I can't prove it, but I do catch a glimpse of him from time to time. I say him with apologies to Sister Marine, but when I saw God last, he was a father reaching for a son. And for a second, I saw God. Didn't make me feel any better. Maybe that's not what God is for. But I saw him. And I believe I will see him today and tomorrow. And whose face? I don't know. And that's the adventure. So, that's the best I can do. And that's faith. If you're looking for proofs, you're in the wrong business. Body of Christ. Body of Christ. Body of Christ. What do you name the child?
Maria Maria Tiffany Beverly Gonzalez.
All right. Well, I baptize you Anna Maria Tiffany Beverly Gonzalez.